Hello everyone. Hello everybody. Today we are going to be talking about three movies, which is the Terminator, The Matrix, and Wall-E. We are going to ask some questions to each other about movies. Before going deep conversation, let us introduce ourselves first. My name is Yusuf, and this.
I'm Sakadareach.
My name is Daravichey. My name is and I'm Sela Samnang.
Yeah. So the first question is, guys, how does the Terminator series show the risks of AI and autonomous systems taking over human roles?
So the movie shows that they became really powerful and they weren't programmed correctly, so they decided to take over human, I guess. Yeah, so this movie really shows how if AI weren't taught correctly, they would bring
Destruction.
destruction to us, to humanity.
What's the AI name?
Oh, Skynet. So on to the next question. What human characteristics were missing in the engineers who built the AI in the Terminator?
So I think the missing human characteristic in the Terminator is that they forget the human ethic. They basically didn't have any safety feature to turn off the AI, and they only focused on making it short term, not long term. So, as a future computer science, what characteristics do you need to prevent the negative effects of technology on society?
For my idea, as a computer science student, I think the characteristics that we need to have are the responsibility, ethical thinking, and also the awareness of how to know how the technology works in our society. Because it's important to be as an AI, but not use it to harm the people.
Yes, I agree with you, but I think critical thinking is important one. Since we can thinking clearly, logically, and independent about complex problem. It is an essential skill in various fields, including the computer science, where professionals need to make ethical, effective decisions regarding the design, development, and implementation of technology as well. And now we move on to the Matrix. The first question of the movie, I want to ask, how did the Matrix show the inside of the digital world?
Actually, the movies show that the world people live in actually is a computer simulation, and the real world is hidden, and people are controlled by AI without knowing it. So let me ask one more question. Do you agree with Mr. Smith's statement that humans are like a virus?
Yes, I would say Mr. Smith's statements are true because I think the people, they use the resource but they destroy the nature, just like deforestation, pollution, or overpopulation. But I think it also falls because human can learn, we can create the solution, just like the renewable energy or conservation.
And now we move on to the Wall-E. The first question of us is, how does Wall-E show the impact of technology on the environment?
Actually, in the movie, Earth is covered in trash because humans use too much technologies and without taking care of the planet. And then this shows that if we don't manage waste, our world will become so polluted. And the other question is, how does Wall-E show the impact of technology on human behavior?
Yes, I think what is impact of technology on employment and skill, like human may rely on entirely on AI and automation for everything in the future or recently, including the motion reduction, human labor, action and physical activity over reliant on automation where humans are physically and mentally incapacitated by their depend on the machine. And then I want to add a question too. How do current software engineer programmer bring humanity toward the Wall-E realities?
So I believe it's pretty easy to bring Wall-E into reality because right now with people depend on AI for everything from learning, making script and many other stuff. It's caused us to not have any thinking at all, which is pretty dangerous.
So let me ask one question. How are three movies connected to each other? Like, what you can say about those questions?
So about the three movies, for the Terminator, AI becomes too powerful when then they found that humans are dangerous and decide to take over humans. So this really shows that AI can be really dangerous if they are not controlled properly. And meanwhile, in the movie The Matrix, instead of AI trying to take over us, they have already won. So now they already took over us and now they are controlling us using human as an energy source and we don't even realize it. And for the Wall-E, it's different from the other two movies because instead of them trying to take over us, they help us, but they help us too much to the point that humans are now completely relying on robots. So they are connected because all the three movies shown that all AI can be really dangerous if they are not controlled properly. Even if they don't destroy us, they could still make us dependent and rely on it too much. So it could be really dangerous for us. So for the next question, what part of the computer science curriculum at Paragon International University helps students become responsible computer scientists?
So for that question, the curriculum at Paragon University that helped computer science students became a responsible computer science issue. For example, AI ethics. It teaches students how to create an AI that helps society, but not too much to the point where we depend on it, and make sure that it does not harm people to prevent the situation like in the movie The Terminator. So how do movie influence public perception of AI and its impact on employment, human behavior, safety and accountability?
So movies, they shape how people think about AI and they show it's both of the danger and the benefits. So the Terminator makes people fear that AI will replace workers and take control. And meanwhile, the Matrix suggests that AI makes humans completely unnecessary. And Wall-E shows that there's a world where AI does everything for human, making them lazy and dependent. So this actually really impacts the real world because people might get paranoid that AI will replace their job. So they would probably be worried about nothing, I guess. Because I think in the future, I mean, it's possible that AI could take over humans, but I think that's very unlikely because I think that humans will evolve with the AI instead of letting it take over us.
The Matrix and Wall-E warn that too much technology can make people lose touch with reality. And Wall-E especially shows that people can become lazy if AI does everything for them. People are going to be so lazy.
So what's the final thought?
So in conclusion, guys, those three movies remind us that AI and technology must be developed carefully. If used well, AI can improve lives, and if used without responsibility, it can control or even harm us. So the key lesson is that humans must remain in control of AI, not the other way around. So thank you so much, guys, for watching our videos. Bye bye.
Oh, is computer science is really good careers in the future. Should I take these courses? And what is AI take our courses or our career in the future?
Bro, it's okay, don't think about it because you think that AI will take over our job, right?
Yes.
But the thing is that we are the humans, we are the one who make the AI. So if you're scared that AI might evolve too much, if they evolve, that means we the humans are also evolving because we are the one who make the AI. So yeah, in the future, AI will be making our jobs easier, but they will not replace our jobs. So
Oh,
yes,
yes, I got it.
yeah, don't worry about it.
Yes.
Hello guys, today I'm going to show you what kind of opportunities, what kind of jobs we have at computer science. I'll just go into one room randomly and then I'll ask some students what kind of job do they guys have. Okay, let me start. There's a guy. Hello bro, how are you?
Hello.
Bro, can I have some questions?
Yeah, sure.
So what's your job? What are you doing?
Oh, I'm a software developer.
Wow, so what are you doing basically?
I mean, at the name, I just develop software. I make it better, I guess.
What kind of salary you have?
Oh, currently, my starting salary is probably 50K a year.
Do you suggest people to be like you?
Yeah, it depends on their interest. If they are interested in this, they could pursue it as well. And it's very flexible. I guess you could work for a company, you could be a freelancer, you could work for yourself. So,
Oh.
yeah, I recommend it.
Thank you so much, bro. Have a great day.
So in Paragon, there's a lot of highly qualified professors, lecturers in computer science, and it'll be really fun if you. So I recommend you guys to come and pursue computer science. So as you can see in the video earlier, AI is not gonna take over our job, and they have many career options. So yeah, I recommend computer science. only if you are interested, of course, that this goes for every major. If you don't like what you're doing, then you shouldn't pursue it. So yes, that's it.